as I look at what's been adopted so far, the schools, the child care facility, and the state and units of local government to this point, and adjoining property, it begins to look to be like the City of Chicago red camera lights. When they first introduced their bill, it had adjoining properties and it had ranges. And when we drew a Venn diagram, just a little compass point around those facilities, once adopted into that bill, we found that everything was excluded. So I appreciate your position on the issue, and I respect Representative Brandon Phelps, Representative Mike Bost, John Bradley, their decade-long work on something that Supreme Court said we have to do. My concern in building the way that we're building right now is we end up with unpassable legislation which excludes so much by the little pieces.